Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be setting up the week of the 6th through the 12th. Today is actually the 7th, but yesterday was my daughter's 10th birthday. Her party was Sunday, so I did not get a chance to set up my planner as of yet. And I actually had to backdate this week because I just didn't have time to fully set up my planner. So we are going to set up the 6th through the 12th. We're going to be kind of backdating just this particular day, just the 6th, because it was my daughter's birthday. I didn't do much, but just spend time with her and my family. So we're gonna write that in and use some functional stickers from my shop in order to do this. So I just have a bunch of functional stickers popped up in here, and we're just going to use that in order to set this up. Let's start off with the dates across the top. And let me zoom you all in so that you all can see. We are going to start off with my sidebar. And we're gonna start off with the videos that I want to post this week. I'm gonna start off with this video, which is the weekly organize with me or plan with me. I may post the back planning. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this one or not. I just recorded the back planning of this particular week last week, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna post it, but I'm gonna write it down just in case I do decide. With Organize You, we're doing how to start planning your life, which is a class. Oh, and I forgot that I needed to post my budgeting video. That actually I might post that one tomorrow and post this one later. We'll see. Because I do want to post that. Might make it a short. We'll see. Really haven't fully decided how I'm going to get out this content, but writing it all down gives me a lot of options, and I really like that. And then I'm also going to add the lives. You know what? I should make this alive. I think I'm gonna do that. So let's write it under both. Okay, so now let's move over to Monday, which, like I said, it was my daughter's birthday, so I really spent the day with her. Can't spell today, but that's good. We are just going to she did not go to school, so I'm gonna put no school. So we went to breakfast, and then we went to the mall, and we went to Barnes and Nobles. All of these are her favorite places. So she went to Barnes and Nobles, she got into the pool, and that was basically her full day. So a couple of little icons around here just to signal that these are some of her favorite things to do. I also have these little heart stickers, so I'm gonna put that through here as well. Okay, so that was Monday. Now we are going to move over to Tuesday, and Tuesday is when we get back to work. So as of right now, I have to get myself organized so that I can get through this week, which is what we're doing now. So I am going to add these little organization stickers from Coffee Monster Co. I did go work out this morning, so I am going to add that in. It's like 9:30 right now, so this is right where we are. And I'm filming, but I am also organizing myself because whenever I'm not in my planner or it's not set up properly, I always feel like I'm missing something. So we are going to do this for a little while. I'm gonna do some editing after I finish filming, and then I am going to lunch. We have a lunch meeting today. I do overkill with these colorful boxes. I absolutely love them. I don't know how I planned before I had colorful boxes. I do want to do some orders today. Want to do some more filming, editing. I'll do lunch. Then tonight we do have a team meeting, so I want to put that down. And do some orders in between, and then I think that's it. Okay, I don't like this arrow. I tried to color it in because it looks a little wonky to me, but I just don't like it. So we are going to cover it. Oh, I should. Okay, so we are going to add a little white out above it, and then add that dog sticker. Perfect. And I will do that all the time. If I mess up and I don't like the way something looks, I'll just add a sticker over it. Fix it every time. Okay, what's happening on Wednesday? Let's go back to my monthly calendar. Wednesday is Bible study. I also have a couple of meetings. So we're always writing in. I want to do orders. It's like every weekday type of task. I can do some more filming, I will. But also, I believe I'm going to go live on this day. I wanted to go live on Tuesday, but it looks like Wednesday might be a better day. This day is also going to be my admin day. So we're going to try and do some admin. And then my goal is to go live. Let's mark that off. And then we have Bible study. All right, and that is that. Now, let's move over to Thursday. I have to bring my dad to the doctor Thursday morning. And then Thursday evening is Organize You. Oh, let's actually do that on a computer. My husband has to do a funeral this weekend, so I'm writing that in. The additional things, probably gonna do orders all day Thursday and most of Friday. Make it the morning orders and then filming. Which I might switch this because usually when I'm trying to film in the evenings, it does not work out. I am not good at filming in the evenings. I think by the time the evening time comes, I'm just a little too tired. And it is just a morning activity for me, but I'm gonna add it here for now. Just because I'm really trying to catch up on orders. But if I catch up enough by Thursday, then I will switch these. And Sunday is also Mother's Day. So I have to make sure, which I purchased one part of my mom's gift, but I do need to purchase the rest of it. So I'm going to do that. Also supposed to have a Zoom call. Let's write that in. And I know my husband had some things planned for Mother's Day, which I don't know what they are, so I'm just putting it as family time. And so I'm marking that off. I know I want to book my own appointment, so I'll probably make it for next week at the spa. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's see where we are. Here we go. The only other things, I do have some standard things that I do every single week that I need to mark off, like order groceries. So I'm just going to add those at the bottom here. And if needed, I'll pop in one of my to-do half sheets and just keep a running list if I run out of space. That's what I've been doing lately, and it really has been working out for me. So I finished these 3 sheets, so we're gonna throw those away. But this is what my week is currently looking like. And Monday is already done, so all of these things have been done. We are currently here, and so I still have some things that I have to do and make sure that I am staying on top of. But this week is ready to start working, and as I complete each task, I will just check them off. Like, I'll just kind of go in and check everything off as we are going. And it helps me to stay on track based on the time that it currently is. So I'll look at the time, see where I am, and then see if I am on track based on this schedule here. If not, I go in with my red pen and write in what's happening instead. So this is it for this week's plan with me. I hope that this video has been helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.